家晚上好呀！猜怎么着？现在是11:27。然后呢，我就现在偷摸的来我的厨房，我要准备隔夜燕麦 overnight oats，因为我明天早上8点就有课，然后我发现呢，我每天早上8点的课，我都是一个睡不醒的状态，然后早餐准备的特别匆忙，所以为了明天有一个优雅的早餐，我就打算先做好，明天就可以直接拿来吃。完成，进冰箱。This is my breakfast。这样就不会吃了我的早餐吧。完成。Hello， 我被叮了3粒凉阳。
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head.
Yes, 8点，准时 join now.
Let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you.
现在来看看我身后，乱七八糟，嘿嘿，所以看得出我早上多么的匆忙了吗？用手机来听歌，拜拜。
Staring out the window, reaching for a nightstand, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clock back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through, like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just.
I'm sweating like crazy, man. So, I'm finally having my breakfast at 10-12 a.m., which is actually kind of late, but never mind, let's just eat. Tips to stay awake for an afternoon class after lunch. A cup of coffee, and some snacks. So just now I accidentally spilled some water onto my keyboard. That is this keyboard. Yeah, so now I'm trying to let it dry out, and it start to behave very well, that it will auto type G. I hope it will become normal again and functioning, because I just bought it 1 or 2 months ago. Yeah. But I can't blame anyone, because it's me who spilled the water. Be careful when drinking or eating near to your electronic devices, or else you will end up just like me. Still have some droplets. You know what? Let's put on some music to relax a little.
Don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything's changed, but holding on, stay with me.
So after a few hours, basically the water is already dried.
Can't wait another day, so let the sun come up too soon.
B. I press G. Oh, it's also BG. Nice. Okay, I also found out that N and H also has the same problem. If I type N, it will come out NH. NH. If I type H, it is also NH. This keyboard officially couldn't be used anymore because I couldn't even type a correct full sentence using this keyboard.
You're the melody in my head that I cannot forget. You're the only air I can breathe when I'm standing on the